Hi, my name is Kit Musni. I work with Great Lakes Biosystems as Technical Sales Manager for Southeast Asia.
Hello, my name is Tom Rep, and I'm the International Sales Manager for Great Lakes Biosystems. Great Lakes is a manufacturing company here in the Midwestern part of the United States. Our focus is in two areas. We have a complete pond health program for fish and shrimp aquaculture, as well as a complete line of products for feed enrichment.
The treatment of water for ponds in fish and shrimp culture, as well as the treatment of drinking water for livestock, are an important pillar concept that has repercussions in survival rate, weight gain, and length of crop cycle. At Great Lakes Biosystems, we have customized these products and protocols to address the needs specific to species of culture, local climate, and disease challenges.
Great Lakes Biosystems incorporates amino acids, probiotics, prebiotics, and trace minerals to enhance the overall function of the gut. Each product is integral in the conversion of complex feeds in the gut to allow for optimal assimilation of those proteins to the animal. By improving the overall balance of the gut and the overall health of the gut with the use of amino acids, probiotics, prebiotics, and trace minerals, the animal now can use its own energy resources to produce growth and to improve survival, rather than fending off stresses with disease, whether it be in the water or in the barn.
For shrimp and fish farming, this would include custom protocols focusing on fixing issues related to water quality, such as elevated ammonia nitrogen, toxic gases, excess pyrites, inconsistent algal blooms, or uncontrolled pollution. For poultry, this would include issues such as ammonia control, poor growth, and low survival rates. Feed enrichment is another important objective we focus on by creating products that help to further enhance weight gain, increase survival rate, and shorten the crop cycles of animals being cultured. Our concepts on water treatment and feed enrichment are proof of our single-minded attention towards strengthening the overall health of the animal and to the environment where it is being raised. To learn more about how our complete pond and barn health products benefit aquatic animals and livestock, please contact Great Lakes Biosystems to schedule a virtual meeting. Thank you.
So I look very much forward to visiting with you at a virtual level to discuss more specifically about GLB's technology. We appreciate that opportunity. We appreciate the opportunity to develop more and greater partnerships across the globe, whether it be in Central or South America or throughout Southeast Asia. So I encourage you, as you listen to my virtual video here, that you allow us the opportunity to visit with you, schedule some time with you, and talk a little bit more specifically about our technology, how it can enhance what you do, either being a part of the feed manufacturing process or the process in which the products are added directly at the farm, whether it's via poultry through their drinking water or via fish and shrimp top dress at the farm. But again, we look forward to that opportunity to visit with you, to talk further about our technology and develop a greater relationship and a greater partnership moving forward. Thank you very much.